Don't worry about managing your time, but worry about managing your focus. You may have set your goals, you may have set your priorities and your high value activities also, and you would have also begun working on your high value activity. But as you are working on your high value activity, suddenly your mind goes off to who is going to become the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, or what Modi is going to do next. And then it goes off here and it goes off there, and you lose your focus. And when you lose your focus, you are actually wasting time. So the more important thing is not about managing time, but managing your focus. I hope you found this video useful. Yes, then please share it, like it, comment on it, and most important, subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep getting cool videos like this. This is RajivKumarLuv, your friend, your personal coach and guide. I'll be back with yet another video. Until then, take care. Bye.